Hello. So today I'm going to be doing an art style that I found on TikTok. And a kid got bullied for no reason. I don't know why. So we're just going to try it out. So I'm just going to do the head like this because it's going to be hard to do. So, because I can't draw perfect circles. So, oops. Let's just... Now that is done. I gotta do the neck. Oops. Oops. I don't know what I did there. Whatever. I'm not looking at the tutorial, by the way, because I actually practiced this many times. I just want to show you guys if I did it right. It looks good. I'm just going to change that. God. I don't really show my voice that often, do I? Embarrassment. Okay. Gotta do the waist. Yep, that looks good. And damn. A little longer. And then I gotta put the Hermit the Frog song on, like, you know, because that's the song they used. They call him Hermit the Frog. Did you find your chimney? Your bowman was so showy. Okay. Oops. I'm so bad at this. God. Damn it. There we go. Oh yeah, by the way, if my friend sees this, you know who you are. Just saying hi. You know who you are. Her name starts with A, you know. Okay. Not saying full names, but you know. Permission, I guess. Maybe. Who knows? I think I'm already embarrassed myself. Whatever. That is so cute. Okay, God damn it. Well, I never know you're good at drawing. I keep on making mistakes. To be honest, it looks like Animal Crossing with F and F. I don't know the full name. Friday Night Funkin' Night Friday? I don't know. Please tell me. Well, you don't really have to tell me, but you know. Y'all get what I mean, right? Come on. How can I not do this? Did you find your bitch in me? Oh, your bummer. And God really puts you to your limits, doesn't it? Okay, why is this here? I obviously cannot do the other leg. Why? Just why? Just Why? That was complete silence. Okay, that is the wrong way, Abby. Yes, that's my name. It's not Galaxy. Is it just me, or am I just gone crazy addicted to BL anime? Who knows? Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? Yeah, I never know. I guess I can do that. I mean, it's not that bad. Gotta make the legs thick. Never mind, we don't want to. That's the style I somewhat like with this, you know. I love this art style though. Seriously, it's so cute. I'm being honest, it's really cute. Okay, literally the song is stuck in my head. Oh yeah, I know the song is stuck in my head. I got multiple songs stuck in my head. Firefox. Okay, that's somewhat cute. And the arms are really simple. You just do this. Come on. Oh my god, Animal Crossing. That is very long. Why do I make so many weird noises? Y'all, I think I'm just going crazy. Oh yeah, it's 12 in the fucking morning. Sneaky bitch. They don't harm you. He's looking for a dog. Did you find your bitch in me? Are you a vomit of socially? Just a little bit too much like me. Sorry. I think I'm not supposed to. I do not like that. How do you do this? Like, tell me. How? I cannot do arms. What? Okay. Nope. We need to be thicker. Ah, that's much better. Yeah, I like that. Thick. Oh, fair. Fuck, I think I know. Well, that's the art style. Did you find your bitch in me? I'm just gonna do the eyes I found also. Do. It's way too small. No big ear, but whatever. Meh, let's keep the earless, whatever. It's like the thick lips, you know? The lipstick, you know? Oh yeah, that one looks really good, cute. Yeah, I don't know how to do it, and here I am, struggling to do it. Damn it. There we go. I guess I'll do hair or whatever later, if I could try. But yeah, bye.